Hi, my name is Abby from the Lynx Club, and today we're going to be making our featured drink, the Birdie Thyme, for Cocktail Week. So first we're going to start off with a piece of thyme, and we're going to muddle that with about an ounce of fresh lime. And we're going to pour in 2 ounces of our Han Vodka. 1 ounce of fresh blueberry puree. Throw in a little bit of ice. And give that a good shake. We're just going to strain that into our glass here. Top with a splash of soda and more thyme for garnish.